Want to delete a Discord server you created? Here's how to do it quickly on desktop. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more simple tech tips. First, open Discord on your computer. Now go to the server you want to delete. Right-click the server icon on the left sidebar or click the server name at the top. In the settings menu, scroll all the way down. At the bottom of the left sidebar, click Delete Server. Now you will need to confirm the deletion. If you have 2FA enabled, enter your 6-digit code. If not, type the exact server name in the box. Then click the red Delete Server button. Remember, this is permanent and cannot be undone. So make sure you really want to delete the server. And that's it, your Discord server will be permanently deleted. Like, share and subscribe for more quick and helpful tech guides.